Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style and Study Corner. Myself Shanti Grace Ijini, lecturer in aquaculture Kakinada. Today I'm going to explain more bits about AP Grama Sachivalem Village Fisheries Assistant bits, and these bits are also useful to Fisheries Development Officer. So please see the my previous videos about best books websites about aquaculture and fisheries and aquaculture concept basics and 100 to 200 bits, 200 to 300 bits, 300 to 400 bits. Today we are starting from 400. Which chemical is used to control obnoxious gases? Answer is zeolite. 401. If pH is 6.5 to 7.5, then in which proportion the lime will be used? పాండ్లో 6.5 to 7.5 pH ఉన్నట్లయితే దానికి ఎంత శాతం లైమ్ని అంటే సున్నంని యాడ్ చేయాలి? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 200 kg per hectare. 402. In raceway culture, water flow is dash liter per minute per kg. Answer is 0.5 to 1 liter per minute per kg. 403. Brown trout was introduced in India in. ఇండియాలో ఎప్పుడు బ్రౌన్ ట్రౌట్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు అంటే ప్రవేశపెట్టారు? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 1906. 404. NACA is situated in. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ బ్యాంకాక్. 405. DDVP in the name of Now and 100 EC was manufactured by. Answer is SIFA. 406. Algal weed can be controlled by KMNO4 at the rate of. ఆల్గే కలుపు మొక్కల్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి KMNO4 సొల్యూషన్ని ఎంత శాతం అప్లై చేయాలి? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 2.5 ppm parts per million. 407. Cattle dung consists of dash dash and dash percentage of N2, P2O5 and potash respectively. Answer is 0.5, 0.1 and 0.5. 408. Pulu rearing temperature is. Answer is 26 degrees centigrade. 409. Trichodesma is. Answer is compost accelerator. 410. Which animal has considerable amount of phosphorus in urine? Answer is swine. 411. Red tide phenomena is caused by. Answer is gymnodium. The original answer is Campi, not M. Chopra. Okay, that's why I'm giving voice over because so many mistakes in these PDFs also. I'm rectifying. I'm telling the original answer. 413. Grassy area is A. Answer is red algae. 414. The Pokali paddy field in Kerala has an area of. Pokali fields అనేవి ఎక్కువగా కేరళలో ఎంత శాతం ఉన్నాయి? Answer is 4,400 hectares. 415. Stocking density of fish fingerlings in fish cum duck farming is. Stocking density అనేది ఫిష్ కమ్ డక్ ఫార్మింగ్లో ఎంత శాతం ఫిష్ యొక్క ఫింగర్లింగ్స్ అనేవి వేయాలి? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 6,000 to 8,000 hectares fish fingerlings. 416. White Pekin and Muscovy are. Answer is meat type duck. 417. Protein content of spirulina is. స్పైరులీనాలో ఎంత ప్రోటీన్ శాతం ఉంటుంది? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 50 to 60%. 18. Blue green algal toxins are. Answer is neurotoxic and hepatotoxic. 419. 1 gram of Artemia cyst produce about dash million naplia. Answer is 0.2 million naplia per 1 gram of Artemia cyst. 21. CICEF is situated in. Answer is Bangalore. 422. The first success in inducing breeding of Indian major carps by injections of fish pituitary hormone in the year. ఏ సంవత్సరంలో ఇండియన్ మేజర్ కార్ప్స్కి అంటే చేపలకి పిట్యూటరీ హార్మోన్స్ని ఇంజెక్ట్ చేయడం ప్రారంభించారు? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 1957. 423. Match list 1 correctly with list 2 and select your answer using the codes given below. 1. Floating weed. Answer is lemna. Emergent weed. Answer is typha. Submerged weed. Answer is Vallisneria. Surface weed. Answer is Iconia. 424. Common aim of Iconia is. Answer is water hyacinth. 25. Microbrachium rosenbergi is a. Answer is giant freshwater prawn. 426. Which one the following is correctly matched? The answer is Cyprinus carpio is a common carp. 27. Commonly used anesthetic drugs. Answer is MS-222. 428. Among the following, which fish is called as aquatic chicken? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ తిలాపియా. నేను నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో కూడా చెప్పాను, తిలాపియాని ఎక్కువగా హోటల్స్లో యూస్ చేస్తారు, చాలా చీప్గా కూడా దొరుకుతుంది. 429. విచ్ రివర్ పాసెస్ త్రూ ద స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ తమిళనాడు? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ కావేరి. 431. ద క్రైటీరియా ఫర్ సెలెక్టింగ్ సైట్ ఫర్ పాండ్ కల్చర్ మెయిన్లీ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ స్పీసెస్ టు బి కల్చర్, టార్గెటెడ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ లెవెల్, physiological requirement of the species. 32. The soils having pH value equal to or less than 4 are called as. Answer is acid sulfate soils. 433. Chemical name of dolomite is. Answer is calcium magnesium carbonate. 434. Turbidity in pond water can be measured easily by. Answer is HDIS. 435. For intensive farming, commonly used form type is. Answer is circular shape and rectangular shape. 436. The main purpose of peripheral dike is. Answer is to provide overall protection to the farm from flood, storm, etc. 37. In drainage channel, recommended side slope for clay soil is. Answer is 1:1. 438. Which type outlet gates are more efficient in draining bottom water in the pond is. Answer is Monk sluice. 439. Example for positive displacement pump is. Answer is reciprocating pumps. 440. The most commonly used aeration device for aeration in aquaculture pond is. Answer is paddle wheel aerator. చలో ఎక్కువగా పాండ్స్లో యూజ్ చేసే ఏరియేటర్స్ ఏవి అంటే paddle wheel aerators. 441. Which form of ammonia more toxic to fish? Answer is unionized ammonia. 442. Hardness of water refers to. Answer is sum of calcium and magnesium. 443. Compute the power requirement for pumping 1200 cum per hectare against a head 100 meters, assuming a pump efficiency of 65%. Answer is 68 bhp. 444. Consider the statements. Matter Dam was the first reservoir where a fish seed farm was established in the 1940. Matter Dam is located in Tamil Nadu. Matter Dam is located in Kerala. From this statement, answer is 1 and 2. Matter Dam was the first reservoir where a fish seed farm was established in the 1940, and Matter Dam is located in Tamil Nadu. 445. Nagarjuna Sagar reservoir located at which state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. 446. The most common fungus attack fry, fingerlings and adult fish is. ఫంగస్లో ఏది ఎక్కువగా ఫ్రైస్ని, ఫింగర్లింగ్స్ని, అడల్ట్స్ని డ్యామేజ్ చేస్తుంది ఫిషెస్లో? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ సాప్రోలిగ్నియా పారాసైటికా. 447. The commonest protozoan disease in freshwater fishes. Answer is white spot disease. ప్రోటోజోన్ వల్లనే ఫ్రెష్ వాటర్ ఫిషెస్లో వచ్చే డిసీజ్ ఏంటి అంటే వైట్ స్పాట్ డిసీజ్. 448. Consider the statements. 1. Hooghly Malti estuary is the biggest estuary of the country. Second, 2. It is located in the state of West Bengal. 3. The fish fauna of Hooghly Malti estuary has been classified into residents and migrants of the statements. Answer is all are correct. 49. India has a coastal length of. Answer is 8,143 kilometers. ఈ యొక్క తీరరేఖ పొడవు ఎంత అని? అది 8,143 కిలోమీటర్లు. 450. Which institute engaged in culture of fish in brackish water region? Answer is SIBA, Central Institute of Brackish Water Aquaculture. 451. The most important disease in farmed finfish is. Answer is EUS. 452. Larval stages of mussel is. Answer is Trochophore larva. 53. Gonopodium is the modification of a following part in the males of cyprinodonts. Answer is anal fin. You can see this in parental care fishes. 454. Protandrous hermaphroditism is shown by. Answer is sea bass. 455. Match list 1 correctly with list 2 and select your answer using the codes given below list 1. Grey mullet. Answer is Mugelcephalus. Betke. Answer is Latis calcarifer. Little tuna. Answer is Euphanus affinis. Spotted sardine. Answer is Sardinella serum. 456. Palinimys paradensis is commonly known. Answer is mango fish. 457. Betke is. Answer is Asian sea bass. 458. Which of the following is correctly matched? Answer is larvicidal fish, Gambusia affinins. 459. Consider the following statements. This bit will be useful for fisheries development officer. 1. Assertion A. In Indian seas, a number of prized fishery resources are declining in quantity and size. Two reasons are due to the intensified fishing efforts in the inshore regions. Fishery resources are declining. Answer is both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. 460. The organism responsible for black gill disease in shrimp hatcheries is. Answer is bacteria. 461. Natural antioxidant used in aquafeed is vitamin E. 462. Headquarters of ICLARM is located at. Answer is Malaysia. 463. Probiotics mainly contain the following organism. Answer is Lactobacillus. 464. Berries are present in which state? Answer is West Bengal. 465. Which state has longest coastal line? Answer is Gujarat. 466. Blackening of gills of shrimps due to. Answer is disease of decomposed mud. 467. DNA polymer is isolated from. Answer is Thermus aquaticus. 468. Brain shrimp is known as. Answer is Artemia. 469. Methyl testosterone is used for. Answer is sex inversion. 470. Eel is A. Answer is Catadromus fish. 471. Itch of thyroid is caused by. Answer is Protozoan. 472. Central Inland Capture Fishery Research Institute located at. Answer is Barakpur. 73. Floating weeds are controlled by. Answer is T4D. 247. The national fish of India is. Answer is Indian mackerel. 475. The scientific name of deep sea lobster is. Answer is Perulus sewelli. 476. Pond sealing may be accomplished by following method. Answer is soil compaction, waterproof lining, bentonite application. 477. For fish production, one of the following is harmful. Answer is parasite. 478. Which fish is placed under Condictis group? Answer is shark. 479. Which of the following ecosystem is most productive from aquaculture point of view? Answer is pond type. 80. Which of the following fish group is most abundant in swamps? Answer is catfishes. 81. Which among the following is anadromous fish? Answer is Hilsa. 482. Which river system is the original habitat of IMSC? Answer is Ganga. 483. Which is the head foot animal? Answer is cattlefish. 484. Big eye tuna. Answer is T. obeseus. 85. Unio is freshwater mussel. 486. Mackerel is. Answer is rostral liger. 487. Pomfret is. Answer is pampas. 488. Marine catfish. Answer is Trichoceras. 489. Exotic game fish. Answer is brown trout. 490. Net for Bombay duck in Gujarat coast called. Answer is doll net. 491. Which aqua farming technique is most appropriate to utilize the autochthonous potentialities of brills? Answer is pen culture. 492. Scaleless fish. Answer is Singi. 493. Soil group most suitable for fish culture is. Answer is clay soil. 494. Oxygen depletion occurs mostly in pond having high density of. Answer is macrophytes. 495. The pH of solution indicates. Answer is acidity and alkalinity. 496. Actual representative of true fish. Answer is dogfish. 497. Demersal fish. Answer is flatfish. 498. Predatory fish. Answer is Sengala. 499. Groupers are. Answer is Protogynous. 500. Largest sized murrel. Answer is Channa marulis. 501. Presence of barbs is characteristic features of. Answer is catfish. 502. Exclusively marine family. Answer is Muranidae. 503. Fishes thrive best in aquarium having green hydrophyte because hydrophyte provides. Answer is oxygen. 504. Body cavity of shrimp is called. Answer is homocoel. 505. Natural antioxidant. Answer is alpha tocopherol. 506. Gills in chondrichthyes are. Answer is uncovered. 507. Which one is flying fish? Answer is Exocetus. 508. Fish that can be used in biological control of mosquito is. Answer is Gambusia. 509. An aquatic animal which periodically casts off exoskeleton is. Answer is tiger prawn. 510. Glaucodium larvae is found in. Answer is Unio. 511. Pearl is a secretion of. Answer is mantle layer. 512. Transport journal of eel assembled from the river known as. Answer is Elivers. 513. GDP from fisheries of agriculture GDP is. Answer is 4.6%. 514. Hormone responsible for molting of crustacea. Answer is ecdysone. 15. Diatoms used in shrimp larval rearing. Answer is Chaetoceros. 516. Pigment found in aquatic animal. Answer is astaxanthin. 517. Preferred feed for grass carp is. Answer is Hydrilla. 518. Aquatic insect of freshwater nursery are controlled by application of. Answer is soap oil emulsion. 519. Latimeria is. Answer is seaweed. 520. Leukemia is a raw material for. Carangenum is the answer. 521. Which farming technology is eco-friendly and scientific? Answer is semi-intensive system. 522. Which culture practice is adaptive for culture of seaweed? Answer is floating raft. 523. Which culture technology is suitable for the culture of sea bass? Answer is cage culture. 524. Most common mud crab species in India. Scylla tranguberica. 525. Which one is not an air-breathing fish? Answer is Clupizoma agua. 526. White spot disease in shrimp is caused by. Answer is virus. 527. Which monogenean trematodes used gill disease in carps? Answer is Dactylogyrus. 528. Which parasitic group is responsible for the black spot disease in freshwater fish? Answer is digentic trematodes. 259. Disease in fishes caused by crustacean parasite is called. Answer is Argulus. Argulus ni crustacean parasite antaru. 30. Disease caused due to saprolegnia is called. Answer is mycotic disease. Saprolegnia అనేది protozoan. ఇది mycotic disease ని cause చేస్తుంది. 31. Which one is the primary producer in fish pond? Answer is Chlorella. 2. Which one is blue-green algae? Answer is Microcystis. 533. Which one is aquatic weed? Answer is water hyacinth అంటే ఐకార్నియా గొర్రపు డెక్క అంటారు తెలుగులో. 34. Which is a member of zooplankton? Answer is Daphnia. 535. Which one is used as fish poison in nursery pond? Answer is Mahua oil cake. 36. Respiratory pigment found in fish is known as hemoglobin. 537. Which fish act as scavenger? Answer is boar. 538. Which one is pesticide? Answer is boron mixture. 39. Who is the father of DNA fingerprinting? Answer is Elliot Jeffrey. 540. The of abnormal embryonic growth is called. Answer is carcinology. 541. Which of the following is known as energy currency of cell? Answer is ATP. 542. Which one is used for production of marine pearls? Answer is Pinctata fucata. 543. Betki is. Answer is Asian sea bass. 544. Which is an indigenous major carp? Answer is Gentic carp. 545. Which one form protein cover of virus? Answer is capsid. 546. Bacteriophages area those will kill. Answer is bacteria. 47. Which one of the following is purine? Answer is guanine. 548. Functional protein is. Answer is enzyme. 549. RNA differ from DNA due to presence of uracil. 550. The continental shelf area of the country approximately. Answer is 0.5 million square kilometers. 551. Among the coastal states, marine fish catch is highest in. Answer is Gujarat. 552. Inland fish production highest in. Answer is West Bengal. 553. Which one is sign of diseased fish? Answer is eroded skin. 554. DNA fingerprinting, the sequence which mature or. Answer is mini satellite DNA. 555. For DNA fingerprinting, DNA is obtained. Answer is white blood capsule, hair root cell, bed sear. 556. Antibiotics are mostly prepared from. Answer is actinomyces. 557. Genetic engineering is related to. Answer is nucleotide transfer. 558. Hormones are produced by. Answer is some steroids and some proteins. 559. The protein of the sea adjoining the coastline and the falling with the depth line is called. Answer is coastal water. 560. The sea fishes during close to the seabed are called demersal. 561. Pearl spot is the common name. Answer is Eutroplus surtensis. 562. Probiotics are commonly used in stream farming for. Answer is water quality management. 563. Which causes luminescent disease? Answer is bacteria. 564. Which one is agar yielding seaweeds? Answer is Gracilaria. 565. Which one is green seaweed? Answer is Ulva. 566. Omega-3 fatty acid is. Answer is linolenic acid. 567. Which algae causes toxics and disturbances on oxygen balance? Answer is Microcystis. 568. Which one is stemmed live fish? Answer is H. fossilis. Heteroneustis fossilis. 569. Which of the following is called a banana shrimp? Answer is Penis margungensis. 70. Which is called as mango fish? Answer is Polynemus pardesicus. 571. Common carp eggs are. Answer is adhesive. 572. Most of carp span production in India. Answer is circular hatchery. 573. pH for carp culture. Answer 527. 574. Rostrum triangular shape in which shrimp? Answer is P. mergensis. 575. Best feed for milkfish. Answer is lab. 576. Optimum stocking density of carp span. Answer is 5 to 10 million. 575. Exotic fish in India. Answer is Pantia species. 578. Indian river shade. Answer is Hilsa Elisha. 579. Pokali field in India. Answer is Kerala. 580. Biofertilizer used in aquaculture in India. Answer is Ajolla. 581. Hill stream fishes. Answer is trout. 582. Fecundity of Penis monodon. Answer is 5 lakh. 583. South American catfish. Answer is C. punctatus. 584. In control condition, carp eggs hatch out within. Answer is 15 hours. 585. Color of fertilized egg in Katla. Answer is whitish. 86. Silver carp basically. Answer is surface feeder. 587. Favorable feed for Tinopharyngodon idilla. Answer is aquatic weeds. 588. Best live feed for giant prawn. Answer is Artemia naplii. 589. Integrated fish farming is widely practiced in. Answer is China. 590. Penis japonicus family. Answer is Pinoid. 591. Scientific name of banana shrimp. Answer is P. mergensis. 592. Stocking density of Microbrachium rosenbergi in grow-out ponds. Answer is 30,000 to 40 PL per hectare. PL means post larvae. 593. Main live food used in shrimp joa. Answer is Artemia. 594. Number of maturity stages in shrimp. Answer is 6 maturity stages. 595. Commonly used inorganic fertilizer used in carp pond. Answer is superphosphate. 596. Tinged lips is present in. Answer is rohu. This is very important bit. 597. Fingerling stocking density in composite fish culture. Answer is 5,000 to 10,000. 98. Indian river prawn. Answer is Microbrachium rosenbergi. 599. Seer fish is also known as. Answer is king of fish. Last one, 600. Pen culture is practiced in. Answer is Chilaka Lake. Please give me your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section. Please share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching. In our next aquaculture video, we will discuss about diseases in aquaculture. Subscribe my channel Style and Study Corner. I will give this PDF in the next aquaculture video.